All right, with this, I just wanted to preface that you don't want to force anything when you're putting this back in. You just want to do it nice and easy. And sometimes you'll run into a situation where the stove cord might be in the way, so something to be aware of that you may have to work around that a little bit in order to put the drawer back. Okay, here I get it where someone doesn't know how to put the oven drawer back. The oven drawer is kind of good because if you want to clean under the oven, you don't really have to what do you call it? Pull out the whole oven. You can actually pull out the drawer just by lifting up and pulling out. When you put it back in, you got these two guides on each side. Of course, I got a stubborn one here, so I guess that's a good one to show you. There we go. You just got to get those two ends up and over the deal. So I'll show you again. To pull it out, lift up a little bit, and then now you can pull it out. And now you can get under there to clean. You know, looks like I need a little more, but that's a different story. And then when you want to put it back in, you got to lift these two wheels up and over the guides. Now you can put it back in. That's it. And now it's all set.